ఆక్స్ఫర్డ్ డిక్షనరీ. అంటే సుప్రీంకోర్టు దగ్గర బుర్ర లేదా? జడ్జిలకి ఆక్స్ఫర్డ్ డిక్షనరీ కంటే వేరే తెలియదా? రిలీజియస్ డినామినేషన్ అంటే సంప్రదాయం రా. రిలీజియస్ డినామినేషన్ అంటే సంప్రదాయం. హిందూయిజం ఇస్ ఎ రిలీజియస్ డినామినేషన్, ఇస్లాం ఇస్ ఎ రిలీజియస్ డినామినేషన్, Christianity is a religious denomination. If you did not have your knowledge, you should refer back to Travancore Gazetteer. Travancore Gazetteer said Christian is a denomination, Islam is a denomination, Hinduism is a religious denomination. There the problem started. And I am coming back to this present status because I will take a lot of time if I go into the history. The problem started with Shabarimala judgment. శబరిమల జడ్జ్మెంట్లో ఎవరి వల్లనో ఏందో మాకు అవసరమే లేదు. సుప్రీం కోర్ట్ గేవ్ వన్ స్టేట్మెంట్. యు నో దట్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్? ద డైటీస్ డూ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్ ఇన్ దిస్ కంట్రీ. రిపీట్ దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ విత్ మీ. ద డైటీస్ డూ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ కంట్రీ. విల్ యూ యాక్సెప్ట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? దిస్ ఈస్ వేర్ ద కేరళ లేడీస్ కేమ్ ఆన్ ద రోడ్. And we have to say, Shabarimala, October 2nd, Nama Japa Yatra. It will not be like this farmer agitation anta em ledu. Akkada aadavallu road ku vachinaru 90 ఏళ్ల ఆడవాళ్ళు. 90-year-old ladies came on the Swamiye అనుకుంటూ వచ్చారు. తెలంగాణలో ఆంధ్రాలో ఉన్న ఆడవాళ్ళు మాత్రం మొగిల్ రేకులు సీరియల్ చూస్తున్నారు. అది కేరళ ప్రాబ్లం పంతులు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. సో we in Chilkur, we lit lamps, we protested against the judgment. It went to the Supreme Court for review. When that review happened, it was referred to the 9 judges bench. So when the judgment said the deities do not have any fundamental right, who should go on appeal? Deities should go on appeal or not? We went on appeal. Chilkur Balaji వచ్చి మీ ముందు ప్రశ్న అడుగుతున్నాడు, మాకు ఏం అధికారాలు ఉన్నాయి ఈ దేశంలో? What is our fundamental right as per your constitution? You tell. This is the affidavit we drafted. You know what the Supreme Court did? It dismissed our petition. February 10th was a black day for us. And we went to the President of India. Because President of India is above the Supreme Court. How many of you know? See, this is the problem. This lady does not know. Supreme Court से ऊपर President of India है. अगर से President of India चाहे तो हैंगिंग को भी रोक सकता है. मालूम है कि नहीं है? हाँ? We went to the President of India and said, see, this is a nonsensical judgment. They did not allow the deity to appear before this thing. Please look into this. Then the Padmanabha Swami judgment came. In that there is a clarity. The ruler is Padmanabha. The royal family is a trustee. From there we got lot of power. And then on July 19th, we wrote a letter again to the President of India saying that as per Padmanabha Swami judgment, you give a notification giving Padmanabha Swami his full rights over the temple. That day morning, the Kurma Murti was seen in our temple. How many people saw that video? Without this social media army, this was gone in every cell phone. Avuna kada? Chilkurlo adbhutam, Chilkurlo adbhutam, Chilkurlo adbhutam. నాగేశ్వరరావు గారు, సోషల్ మీడియా ఆర్మీ లేకుండా పోయింది, మొత్తం పోయింది. అంటే నేను చెప్తున్నాను, ఇది ద డైటీస్ ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్స్ అనే దాని మీద మనము ఫ్రీడమ్ ఆఫ్ టెంపుల్స్ ఎప్పుడు అంటే ఫ్రీడమ్ ఆఫ్ వర్షిప్ టు ద డైటీ ఉంటే ఉంటుంది. ఐ విల్ నాట్ టేక్ మచ్ టైమ్. ఐ విల్ జస్ట్ రీడ్ వన్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ బికాస్ కపిల్ మిశ్రాజీ యూ వెంట్ టు రాజస్థాన్ వెన్ Archaka was burnt there. See the mindset of the government. I will read one section. It will take 2 minutes for me to read it. It's a Endowment Act section 144. 144 number gurtunda? అది 144 దాని పేరే అట్లా పెట్టింది చూడండి. అబాలిషన్ ఆఫ్ షేర్స్ ఇన్ హుండీ అండ్ అదర్ రిసుమ్స్, notwithstanding any judgment, decree or order of any court, tribunal or other authority or in any scheme, custom, usage or agreement or in any manual prepared by any institution or in any farmana or sanad or any deed or order of the government to the contrary, governing any charitable or religious institution or endowment, all shares which are payable or being paid or given or allowed at the commencement of this act to any trustee, dharmakarta, mutavalli, and share or shares in the kanukas offered either in kind or in cash to the archaka or both by the devotees either in hundi, plate or otherwise, or any rusums in the archana or seva tickets and tickets for tonsering, or any rusums collected from the person for the performance of marriage or upanayanam and the likes, all offerings made in the premises of the temple or at such places as may be specified by the trustee, all prasadams and panyarams offered either by the temple or devotee and such other kind of offerings, all shares in the lands. Sundre sir, all shares in the lands of the institution or endowment allotted or allowed to be in possession or enjoyment of archaka, office holder or servant towards remuneration or otherwise for rendering service and defraying the paditaram and other expenses connected with the service or management of the temple shall stand abolished with effect from the commencement of this act. ఇక్కడ కింద చూడండి, for the purpose of this section, the cooked rice or such other things offered to the deity towards nitya naivedyam alone as per dictum permitted by the executive officer shall be appropriated by the archaka or other servants. అంటే అర్చకుడు దేవుడికి నైవేద్యం పెట్టి దద్యోన్న మాత్రం తిని బతకాలి వాడు. Will the government have the guts to enact a legislation to stop the 10% dashama bhagam of a church? Will the government enact such a legislation? అంటే ట్రెడిషనల్ ఎమాలిమెంట్స్, an archaka or an office holder, నాదస్వర విద్వాంసుడు స్వప్న గారు, lot of people were singing, అన్నమయ్య వంశం వాళ్ళు, they used to get share from the land that has been abolished. So can we allow this type of legislation to be allowed? In as per our constitution, my deity is the owner of the temple. My deity wants me to come and do Pauranikam there. My deity wants me to perform Brahmotsavam at a particular time. So everything is centered around my deity. The traditional emoluments also have been prescribed by my deity. You know what Agama says? If a person, archaka, is paid salary, వింటున్నారా మీరందరూ? అర్చకుడికి భూదానమే ఇవ్వాలి, భూమి ద్వారా వాడు జీవించాలి. If the archaka is paid salary, the rituals are not valid in the temple. This is the unfortunate situation. Today, I would like to once again thank you people for bearing with me. I would like to request one video to be shown, Kiran, which is a 1-minute video. I want to make you see that video and then this is regarding the efforts which I am taking, both online and offline, to protect the dharma. Number one was 2018 Munivahana Utsavam, in which I carried a Dalit Bhakta on my shoulder and to demonstrate the anti-Hindu bias in the world, that the Brahmin tramples the Dalits. No, it doesn't happen like that. Unfortunately, your school of thought is wrong. I proved by that activity which was done 2,700 years back, which has been put in the dark by the education system here. Number 2, 23rd February, Bhishma Ekadashi, be performed Archana, Vishnu Sahasranam Archana along with Gangaputras. You know what are Gangaputras? They are the fishermen folk, the most vulnerable people for the conversion material. Ennama coastal area mottam vallu conversion avutunnaru. So we went this has to be in the social media, because if Kapil Mishra goes to Rajasthan, if there is no Twitter or any Facebook, how will I come to know? We have to be alert, be active, we have to be propagating, we have to be telling our own people. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. My request today is the deity rights movement needs all of your support. It is not my movement, it is a movement of every deity of this country. Every deity of this country needs his temple to be free from the political elements, corrupt elements, commercial elements. దర్శనానికి వస్తే 50 రూపాయలు టికెట్, లేకపోతే దర్శనం లేదు. అర్చన చేసుకుంటే టికెట్ కొంటే అర్చన, లేకపోతే లేదు. సామాన్యుడికి దర్శనమే లేదు. ధర్మ దర్శనం మీన్స్, యు నో వాట్ ధర్మ దర్శనం మీన్స్? 3 days waiting. If you buy 300 rupees, immediate darshan. If it is not dharma darshanam, it is called adharma darshanam.